Hello, I'm Kyle McAuliffe. I work with Prestige Labor Solutions. We're here at InfoComm 2025, and we're here to tell you a little bit about us and what we do. At Prestige Labor Solutions, we offer AV labor solutions for the live events industry, whether it's corporate or non-corporate, and for the integrations and installations industry as well. We offer nationwide services, so it doesn't matter what state or location you're looking for labor in, we can help you with it. We offer a wide variety of positions, everything from stagehands, integrations, cable pullers, technicians, as well as engineers. Whether you're in, say, Orlando, Florida, or Seattle, Washington, Chicago, doesn't matter where it is, what you need, we offer solutions for all of your needs. Whether it's union or non-union, we can get you taken care of. If you'd like to hear more about our information and the services we offer, feel free to reach out to me at Kyle at Prestige Labor Solutions or go to our website at www.prestigelaborsolutions.com. Thank you very much and enjoy your InfoComm.